Is that ano?
Scientific.
Biologically possible?
Yeah, actually.
No? Well, Marcus, I was
Her
wrong for
name is,
that.
Sige, sumagot ka, sir.
Her name is Andrea.
Ay, because search incognito.
I know her.
Andrea Grupe?
Yeah. She's my friend's niece.
Hala.
Really?
Hala.
So you saw her.
When she was
And her
younger.
skinny legs.
I haven't seen her.
And her big torso.
I don't really look at her legs.
This is a connivant conversation.
No,
We're actually
because-
monitoring this boy's psychology. Apparently, his hormones are going. And like the very typical male, like not Mishka, like Manuel. It gets even worse. It gets even worse with people like Jobet and Adi and.
I'm worse than them.
No, you're not. And
Anyway.
oh yeah, did you look at Vanessa and Hodges
But then there's
naked?
this
Oh
one
my God,
girl,
Papa.
Bea Baisa.
Papa.
Bea Baisa. The guys are scared of her. She's like, Bea Lagman.
Bea
It was from
Lagman.
ano,
Oh,
it was-
Bea Lagman's hideous.
It was from someone. I saw it. But it was so
Well,
stupid.
yeah, my cousin.
I just deleted it afterwards.
She calls her a whale.
Ooh, that is just mean, sister.
Uy, stop doing that to Elijah.
That's why,
Take it out!
that was
Yeah, go ahead,
virtually
that's
transferring my saliva into your mouth. You're
Yeah,
not
that's
worthy of my saliva.
Ouch. Hurt.
It's a compliment.
Game.
Anyways, yeah. My cousin calls.
Out the feather dance
her a whale.
again.
That's why everyone got mad at my cousin, and she said sorry.
That's good.
It's okay. Ayaw mo ay
Miss
problem.
Bro, what's this?
It's not like that, it's like this, oh.
No, girls say
This is
girls say.
Please, the girl does not do that.
How's the Poveda dance again,
You know
Mishka?
what? Okay.
Don't do it!
Yes, do it.
Don't do it!
The temptation.
Fuck.
It will go to multiply.
Yeah, don't.
Okay. You know what you can do? You can just let this thing go so long. You'll have to
Yeah,
make it
I
too long. It
danced
won't
in
upload and
Takbo
multiply.
a while ago.
Yeah, he was like, because like in like Filipino, we were having like an Ibong Adarna reviewer,
What is the Poveda
and it was
dance?
like it had theirs, so we like had to dance the itak-tak mo dance.
Google. Takbo.
I just all I did was like something like that.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah, so
I can do the, what you call it?
Ocho.
Yeah, the ocho.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. I'm not here.
No, you know siete. It's like parang something like that.
Oh, shit.
Elijah, you're shocking.
Tingnan nyo, Tish.
Oh yeah. And when me and my classmates played basketball, we
Please stand
would
by.
imitate girls'
Sige na, Ocho.
girls' clothes.
Yeah, like this.
When you get
Yeah,
the
like-
shirt and turn it like that.
Yeah, like this. Oh, look. It's okay.
Not
Just
here.
pretend it's not videoing, okay?
Yeah.
This will go to multiply.
It's okay. You don't go to multiply.
Mishka.
The scandal.
Sarap.
Mishka, such a scandalous person.
Anyways, yeah.
Teacher, I can actually balance myself on Manuel's legs.
When
Oh,
we
I'm falling,
play
I'm falling.
basketball.
Ano yung ginagaya mo sa girls?
Huh?
But it makes it look like this, oh.
Are you from the same church? Or galit ka ba?
No, I'm galit.
Like that. There.
Are you youth?
Mishka. Yeah, parang class.
Yeah, we'd wear like her jacket, except no
Mishka, go to class.
no shirt on the
Now.
side.
Mishka, go
Wait,
to class.
where's my music and notebook? Someone's gonna die.
Oh yeah, and there was like this class,
Go ha, don't come back.
this class
No,
scandal.
I mean,
Hurt.
Everyone is like
Hey,
laughing
don't
so
come
hard
back.
when
It's
they
not
were
like
in-
Joaquin.
Bea Baisa was MU with Yano. They're like the two. Yano's so evil. And then Bea's so. Let's just say she's beautiful in God's eyes. Yeah, and so they were
God's eyes.
yeah
So bad.
Grabe, Elijah.
they were MU.
Bea
And
and...
Bea and Yano. Yano's also handsome in God's eyes. Anyways, they were MU, and then the whole school went crazy. They just fell down and laughed. Like Like that, except worse.
They found it weird.
Oh yeah, we beat Ateneo in basketball a lot of times.
Nice.
Ateneo what?
Ateneo,
Junior?
grade school.
You're right.
Yeah, right.
No, sir,
Nobody knew.
Miss Really, I
Seriously.
was part of the Athenaean fan
I have
fest,
the
sir.
trophy at home to show
Wow.
you.
Dapat mag-game kayo dito. Di ba dapat
What kind of court is that? It's
Not there.
It's a small, crummy
Why
court.
are you laughing at Mr. Miko?
Because Miss Cox keeps on waving and doing like that.
Yeah.
And that.
Feeling.
All girls should be like,
Not all girls do that.
Yeah.
Don't generalize.
name one aside from you. And Andy.
Who don't do this?
Yeah. No, I mean who do. And like, okay, then give me a name.
Oh,
Aside from you and Andy.
my friends.
Uh,
My sister.
It runs in the family. Anyways, Andy says Cobetas, when you graduate, you get a car or something like that. Andy? I can't wait to tell her.
It's a comedy show.
Huh?
Where do you see her?
She's my old classmate, and I visit the school. Except their school starts at 8 and ends at 3:10. Why do I have to make more jokes? Anyways, so
What?
any ideal man in your life?
So can you control your laughter?
Elijah, did I answer that question already?
No, any.
No,
Maddie.
none. None. None
At
yet.
least I can
If
control my
Sir
laughter.
Ray grew taller,
No. No. Not
No.
in a million years.
he can sing.
No comment. No, he's a friend, so I know I can say those things.
Done with the test yet?
Not yet, because he's important.
Well, you know, I had this teacher. She let us make her test sometimes.
Very funny.
Yay.
Her name was Teacher Layla,
Layla.
and she helped. She made us make test for the upper year. I mean upper grade.
Well, hindi ko gagawin yan. Over my dead before.
Ako.
Or dead nail.
Coco.